everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts. I did it. I jumped on the TEMU bandwagon and I bought some stuff for crafting. The packaging I think was a little bit less than desirable, but it got here. I think it took about 10 days or so it did take quite a bit. So I'm going to show you what I bought. Okay, number one was this paper corner cutter tool. So I got a piece of paper here and I'm going to show you how it works. Cuts a pretty good corner. I would have to say I am pretty impressed for this, and I paid $1.78 for this, and I would have to say it was totally worth the $1.78 that I paid. And also it does have a little catcher in the back to catch all your paper stuff. Okay, the second thing that I bought was these stickers, and I'm going to open this up here and take a look. There's 40 pieces in here in this bag, and I paid $1.68 for it. So I would say those are pretty nice. I'm sorry, I got a little bit of a glare there. You probably can't see, but there's all sorts of different ones. I'm assuming it says stickers, so they're sticky. Doesn't feel like they really come apart. Let me check these out once. Okay, so I don't see a backing that they come off at all, but there's 40 pieces in here, and I think they're pretty cute. And I'm pretty sure what I'm going to do is I'm just going to Mod Podge them onto my projects. So I would say for the $1.68 that I spent on the 40 of them, I would definitely have to say that that's a pretty good buy. Okay, the next thing that I bought was these, they're called Faux Pearl Gradient Mix Rose Flowers, and I got two different colors. So this was the pearl colored ones, and I would have to say these are pretty cute. I could definitely use these on some projects. And then they got little flowers, and they have some seashells in here. I think there's, oh yeah, there's some other colored little flowers. And then I also bought this, and I think this was black, if I remember correctly. Black mixture maybe, or gray mixture, but these I really, really like. These I'm definitely going to use on some projects. These are super cute. So I paid 98 cents for each of these, so I would definitely say this is a good buy. I'm excited to use these. Okay. The next thing that I bought is this little mixer. Now, I don't know about you, but my paint gets really gummed up. So I actually bought this so I could stir my paint up. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe get some batteries in this, and let's try it out and see how it works. Okay, so I have some batteries in here. I would say it kind of has a lot of power, but let's try it out. So I have this paint that I got, and look at that is like, look at the different colors. It is not even close to being mixed up. And I've tried it to just take sticks and stir it, and it just never seems to work. So let's try this out here and see what happens. Uh-oh, it was just working. I had some old batteries in there, but it was just working, and now it stopped. Alright, let me take a look at this thing. Okay, so not entirely sure what's going on here. I'm thinking it just doesn't have enough power, but it does turn when it's not in the paint. But it could be my batteries also. But it does work actually really good to stir up the paint without being on. So maybe if I get some fresh batteries in here, maybe it'll work a little bit better. But look at, my paint's already stirred up. So I guess either way, I mean, I could have just bought a little mini whisk, I guess, to do it, but maybe I'll get some, I'll have to buy some new batteries and see if that helps. But either way, I paid $2.78 for this. So I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence with this one. Okay, the next thing I got was a 6-piece tweezer set. And this set seems pretty decent. I wouldn't say it's like super great, but I think it's gonna work for little stuff. I haven't had a tweezers up until this point when I'm doing little projects, but there are 6 different pieces or tweezers or whatever you want to call in there, and I paid $1.68 for this. Now as I was trying to get all the links ready for you, I did notice that this set is actually sold out right now, but they usually do get stuff back in. So as soon as it does come back in stock, I will link it in the description with everything else. Okay, this is the next thing that I bought, and this is some kind of molding. It's like a foam molding. I was actually very excited about this stuff. I think I can use it for framing stuff. And I got the white so that if I wanted to, I could probably paint it. But I think this is gonna really work really nice for some projects and framing around the projects. So I did buy 2 of these, and I paid $1.48 for each of them, which for what's on there, I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'm excited to use this. Okay, the next thing is I bought some dried pressed flowers. Now, I have never worked with these before, but I'm actually quite excited to try to use them. So let me just take a look here. Let's see if I can peel this up. Oh yeah, and you know what? The tweezers are probably going to come in handy for this. They are very, very delicate. But these I actually paid, and I think I paid maybe a little too much for them. I don't know how much they go for on Amazon, but I paid $2.08 a piece for these. So I'm excited to try to use these. We'll see how they turn out. Okay, next up is this roller that I got. I had a roller that I got off of Amazon, and I used it twice, and the second time I used it, it broke. But this one seems metal. It seems pretty sturdy. So this I'm going to use for rolling maybe fabrics on stuff and Mod Podging and stuff like that. So I think this is going to be a good buy. And this was a little bit more expensive. I did pay $4.08 for this, but I paid way more for the one on Amazon, and that one broke after the second use. So I'm hoping this one's going to work really good. Okay. Next up is this. Oh, what the heck is it called? It says jute cloth, but basically what it is, it's like a jute ribbon. And it comes in, or it came in 4 different colors. There might have been other color options too. I'm not 100% sure, but you get quite a bit on a roll here. And I paid $3.08 for the 4-pack. So I would have to say that's a pretty good buy. And that's really, really cute colors. So that would be great for a spring DIY. So hopefully I get some spring DIYs done this year. So I would say for $3.08, that was a pretty good buy. Next up, I have these keys. Vintage skeleton key charms, they're called. And I would have to say, let's see, how many pieces are in here? I don't think it says. I don't think there was. Oh, it says 40 pieces. So they're all different keys, and they're a pretty decent size. They're not like the big keys. And you do have a couple little small ones in here. But if you go to Joann's and buy these keys, I mean, you're going to pay quite a bit of money for them. So lots of different styles and stuff. I'm really excited to use these in projects. I think that these are going to be really cute. I mean, there is a couple little bit bigger ones in there. They're all different. So I'm very excited about these, and I paid $2.08 for all these keys. And what you can do too is if you don't like the color, you can always paint them. So super excited about these keys, and for $2.08, I would say a great buy. I bought these. These are corner protectors. Now, if you have a box, you know, you're doing a flower box or something, I think these are gonna look super cute on there. And I actually bought some boxes that I got really super cheap somewhere, and I'm super excited to use these. I think these are gonna look really, really cute on the box for little feet. So for this 4-piece set, I paid $1.98. So I'm gonna say that this was a score because those are super cute. Okay. These I got, and they're a little bit bigger than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to actually be smaller, but they are, oh, what the heck do you call them? They're like a little handle or decorative handle for a drawer or a cabinet, but I'm pretty sure I can find a DIY to use these with. So I'm going to say for $2.24, which is what I paid for them, I would say that's a really good buy, because they're really super cute. I'm almost thinking maybe Halloween. We'll have to see. Okay, these I was super excited about. I'm always looking for little fencing, and my Dollar Tree never has little fencing. So let's take a look at this here. All right, it looks like this is doubled up in the package. That is pretty big. I don't know how long it actually is, but I paid for one of these, I paid $1.88, and the other one I paid $1.98. But I would have to say this is a really good buy for this little mini fencing. I can find so many projects to make with this. So for just under $2 to get all this fencing, or $2 a piece I should say, super excited. Definitely go buy these. All right, on to a faux plant that I bought. So this is like a hanging succulent. I don't know if I want to, well, we'll just take it out of the bag. Why not, right? So this little hanging succulent, I paid $2.88 for. I would have to say it's pretty realistic. I think that it looks pretty nice. It doesn't have like a really weird smell. It's just kind of a rubbery smell, but this is gonna look really great on a project. I can't wait to use this. So for $2.88, I would say that's a pretty good price. Now this I paid $1.88 for. Sorry for the bag crinkling. I'm not doing the voiceover. I'm actually talking while I'm doing this. And these are some little roses that light up. Now I do believe I got the warm white. Let me see if I can get this open and get some batteries in here, and we'll see if they work. Okay, these are super cool. I love these. Okay, so I took them out of the package. I turned the light off right now so you can see, but they are super, super bright. I cannot wait to use these on a project. I think these are gonna look so cool. Let me turn a light off here and show you in the dark. Oh no, it's so hard to capture stuff on video. But these are super bright and they are so cute. So yeah, I cannot wait to use these. I mean, just look at them. They are so adorable. They don't look like chintzy or anything. I paid $1.88 for these lights. I think I might actually have to go back on TEMU and buy some more of these lights because they are super cute. Okay, these come in a little container. These are, I think they're called book corner edges, and I think there's 30 in here. They're really kind of chintzy, thin metal, but I really think that they're gonna look really cute on projects. And like I said before, you can spray paint them to different colors. They are all the same, but I think, you know, if you have like a wood sign to put these in the corners, I think that's gonna look really, really cute. So I'm super excited about these. I paid $1.48 for the 30 piece. So I would have to say I think these are a really good buy. Okay, so this is a Teflon sheet that I bought. I'm just gonna take this out of the package here real quick. Okay, it's folded over. So I could have bought a Teflon sheet from anywhere, but I was already making an order through TEMU and I saw it on there, so I just thought I would go ahead and buy it. I don't know, it seems okay. It seems really slippery. I paid $1.68 for this piece, so I'm looking forward to using it in some DIYs and seeing how well it does. So yeah, not sure about this one yet, but we'll have to try it out and see what it does. Okay, next up are these little embroidered butterflies. So these I think are super cute. I don't even know what to say about these. I'm thinking some Mod Podge on a vase or something and sticking these on there. I think they're gonna look really cool. It's gonna be a really cute spring DIY if I ever get any of those made. Or summer. Doesn't have to necessarily be spring, but I would say for 20 pieces of this for $1.98, I would say very good buy. Okay. Next up is I bought some of these mats. Now they are for use with the Cricut. I got standard grip, strong grip, and light grip. And I got all of these for $6.09, so they're about $2 a piece. So I'm not gonna break these out and use them tonight, but I don't know, I'm thinking they might work pretty good. They seem pretty sticky, but for $2 each, I mean, compared to what you buy Cricut mats for, I'm thinking this might be a good buy. But like I said, I'm gonna need to try these out first and see how they actually are. Like I said, it was like $2 for each mat, so I would have to say right now that's a pretty good deal. And I also wanted to say while I'm on here right now that this is not a sponsored video. I'm just showing you some good crafting supplies that you can get through TEMU. So it's not a paid promotion or anything like that. I'm not saying go buy from TEMU. It's just me telling you what I think are good buys for crafts. Okay, almost finished, just a couple more things. So these are also little feet that I got. And I don't really like the silver, but I kind of got the silver with thinking I'm probably going to spray them. But I think these are really cute. And I can't wait to put these on a box. I just grabbed a box real quick and just wanted to show you. This is one of the cheap boxes that I got. They go right on here and you screw them in. Probably maybe won't screw them in. It does come with screws, but if I do, and I know it'll be sturdy, but I think that these are going to be really cute on the box. So these I actually paid $1.19 for the 4 of them. I would have to say that's a pretty good buy. So I would definitely think about getting these. Okay. Second to last is these eucalyptus branches. There are 12 of them. And I paid $2.09 for them. If you look at them, they look really nice. I would have to say they're very good quality. And for $2.09, I think that's a really good buy. Only thing is when I opened the package, they smelled horrendous. They do not smell good. They are getting better. I've had them sitting and airing out, so they are getting better. But I think these are gonna look really great in a planter or a vase. So I'm really excited about these. So for $2.09, I would say pretty good deal. Last but not least, I bought these. Now I don't remember how much I paid on Amazon for mine. I had bought some previous when I made hats because I also crochet. And I have some hats that I want to make for this winter, so I thought I would try these out. So I paid $2.24 for the 2-pack. So it was $4.50 basically for 4 of them. And these actually have the snaps. The ones I've used in the past had the loops. So they seem like they snap on pretty good and they're pretty well put together. So I'm going to try the snaps and see how they work as opposed to the loops. The loops are kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm hoping that these are going to work really good because you definitely, that way you can take them off the hat, you know, when you're washing your hat. But I got white and I got gray. And I'm super excited to try these out. I think they're going to work really, really great. So this was the last of it. That's what I bought so far. There are a couple things I think I might go back and buy some more of, but we'll see. I have to use some of my stuff in my stash. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really hope that I gave you some good information, that if you do want to make an order through TEMU, and if you like any of these things, that's great. If not, it doesn't matter to me because, like I said, I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but I just want to say thanks so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Thanks. Bye.